YouTube, Bajawildman here. Some more mail calls. These were from back in June. I got 3 of them this time. We'll start with, got this one back on June 1st. This one is from, I think, yeah, that's who it's from. Hi Baja, hope all is well and thank you for the stickers. Here are the few new and old stickers of ours. BionicBull88 and Legit SirNoob. The first set of stickers I had got from them, I don't know if they got messed up at the post office or what, but they got messed up, so I reached out to her and I sent her some more stickers. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so these are the ones like the originals that I got from them that got damaged. Lay them right there. And then they sent me 2 new ones. Bigger. And then this, which is very cool. Subscribe. Smash that like button. Down there. Go to their channels. Yes, sir. Very cool. Let's see what the second one we got here. This one is from, show his, Plumber stacker. Alright. Plumbing rule number 1, never lick your fingers. Right. Bajawildman, thank you for the sticker trade. Plumber stacker. There's his sticker. Sweet. Oh, what's this? The extra HD. What? What? Look at this. Look what? Look. 2 grams of silver. Very much appreciated. Thank you, Plumber stacker. Yeah. Now the third one we got. The neighbors mowing people have showed up. This one's from, can you guess? Merica. Patriotsmom. Baja, peace, love, and hope. Chef Smashtastic. Our new stickers. Merica Silver Patriot, Patriotsmom. Your stickers on our board. Thanks. Love them. Take care of you and yours. Leave the flag there. There's Merica's sticker. Baldy Locks. Silver Cooter. Grumpy Cooter. Cool. And we got Patriotsmom. God we trust. Very cool. Thank you all. If you haven't checked these channels out, get over there. Links are in the description down there. Y'all know how it works. Much love. Catch y'all next time.